A very inspirational story that can teach you priceless lesson to move ahead in your life. One bright morning, a man found a silky cocoon of a butterfly in a garden. He was very eager to see what will happen to that cocoon. The next day, the man found a small opening was appearing from that cocoon. He sat there in a sheer curiosity and started watching what will happen next to butterfly for several hours. The butterfly was struggling to arrange its whole body through the little hole. Then suddenly, man found that the butterfly stopped its movement and couldn't go further. Therefore, the kind man patted the innocent butterfly and started to help it. He tried to free the butterfly from a tiny hole by cutting the cocoon with the help of scissors. The butterfly emerged easily because the man helped it, but the butterfly had withered wings with a swollen body. The man was very happy as he helped out the butterfly to come out from the tiny hole. The man continued to watch it. The man was expecting that any minute the wings of the butterfly would begin to enlarge and it will start to fly out. But for the man's surprise, nothing happened. In fact, the beautiful and innocent butterfly was never able to fly with beautiful wings. The man was very kind, but what he didn't understand is by restricting cocoon, actually he is disrupting the whole life cycle of the butterfly because the struggle for coming out from the cocoon was necessary for butterfly's life. That struggle to get through the small opening of the cocoon is nature's way of forcing fluid from the body of the beautiful butterfly into its wings so that it would be ready for flight. It was natural process of progression, but man interrupted the entire process. Thus, beautiful butterfly died because of kind man's foolishness. Like the sapling which grows strong from being buffeted by the wind, in life we all need to struggle sometimes to make us strong. When we coach and teach others, it is helpful to recognize when people need to do things for themselves. If you didn't have failures, if you didn't have struggles, if you didn't have disappointment, you couldn't have no strength, no courage, no compassion. How could you? Those qualities are made from your pain and struggle. You were given pain because you are strong enough to handle it. You are given this life because you are strong enough to live it. Because you are strong enough to drive through it, to thrive through it, to inspire others through it. Just remember, our greatest struggles always from our greatest strength. Struggle for the strength. Keep smiling.